Alright guys, today I want to come on here and do a quick unboxing and review on my new Halloween Cauldron Decor Set. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews. Let's go take a look at it. So it looks like everything comes right in here. This will be the little floating bottle. This should be what controls the light and fog. User manual for it. Some cool stickers that you can add to it. So what'll make the fog and light look green. So let's go ahead and actually set it up and see how it looks. All right, so first we'll go ahead and put this piece right here. This will also go in here as well. So just, this piece, you will be able to push it down so that way it's just a little bit more stable. Then we'll add this piece to it. Now this should just go like so. All right, and then we're gonna go ahead and piece this together. Like that. And then on this one, we'll also go ahead and put a little bit of this tape right here as well, just to kind of keep it secure. Then now we can put that in there like so. Now we can put it in here. We'll push down on this. All right, so let's go and actually test it out. All right, and this is what it looks like once you have it fully set up. So you can see you're gonna have to play with the bottle to get it balanced correctly, so that way it looks like it's actually leaking out. But as you can see, the setup was super simple. Looks very cool. I'm gonna turn off the light so you can check it out. Look at that. That's so cool. So if you guys are looking for a cool Halloween decoration, so you can see we went with the unfiltered poison sticker on there. But like I said, not bad for 10 bucks. I'm gonna leave the link down below so y'all can get yours.